Hi guys, my name's Brian James and this is DB Automotive. Welcome to the channel. So the weather has been lately, for want of a better word, very crap. So I'm just doing a few videos to get us ready for the trip we're taking in November. So my son and I are going to max out our credit cards and we're going to take a trip for about 2 to 3 weeks through the South Island. So if any of you guys watching have a lawn for us to stay at, please don't hesitate to get in contact. We will be looking for places to stay to try and save a little bit of money. Anyway, what's today's video about? Well, in another video I promised you an unboxing. Here's the box. So I want to talk about dehydration. Okay, so a few years ago I was on the Fraser 5000 and on the first day, at the end of the day, I literally collapsed out of the car. I was so dehydrated, it was actually dangerous. Now, I'm really lucky that the place we were staying at, they gave me a Camelback bladder. And so I used that for the rest of the trip. Now, I didn't realize how much I needed it until I actually needed it. With that being in mind, I decided that I needed to get something for the car. Now, I could just get, look, honestly, I could just stop at gas stations, pick up a drink that. I'm not a big fan of those drinks though, and if they're from a gas station, they're obscenely expensive. I could just go with a Camelback, sling it over the roll cage or the passenger seat, and I could have that. Now, most Camelbacks aren't able to keep your liquids cool. Now, I do like a cold liquid. So, the water and that being cold, yes, okay. So, but again, I don't like, I find that Camelbacks are actually hard to clean, and it's not what I was looking for. So, a couple of years back, I sold my black Chevron, my satin black one, and I put most of the money into the red Chevron to get that going. But I had a couple of dollars left over. And so with that, I bought the Cardu headset, which you may have seen on another channel, not another channel, another episode. And I also bought my water bottle here. So let's get down to unboxing it. Now, it's a Fluid Logic Wave. It's 64 ounces. So we can see here, Fluid Logic Wave, and it's a set, 64 ounces in Freedom units and what everyone else measures in the world, which is litres, it's 1.8 litres. Okay, so comes in a box. We open it up. So I bought this from Revolution Racewear, which they were kind enough to send me a number of stickers. Very cool. So a little bit of a confession. It's been hanging around my shed for a while, so yes, I have opened it. So sort of an unboxing, but okay, so that's what you get, minus the fact that it's had someone extremely rough in it. So if we open it up, there's our canister. Make sure the box is empty. Yes. So, let's see what it says on the back of the box. Allows for easy, quick filling with plenty of space to keep your ice cool, so you can put ice into it. Kitchen grade stainless steel, double walled vacuum insulated bottle is durable, rust resistant, and keeps the fluids cold all day long. It has a magnetic roll bar dock and 7.5 feet of tube. Ooh. It's got a quick release system for your roll cage. Here we go, there's our quick release system. And yeah, it'll keep your fluids cold all day long. So these are made mainly for the UTV guys, but I can't see any reason why it can't be for us. So this is the unit, very flash, roll cage mount. Okay, so let's have a look at that, shall we? So it looks like, I'm a machinist by trade, so when I see something's been very nicely machined, I can see that it's been very well made. This has been very well made. You have a couple of options. You can use the Jubilee clips to wrap around here. Oh, there they go. They go through this pre-slots, and you can Jubilee clip it to your roll cage. Or if you have the ability to, you can screw it to whatever surface you want. And you've got your quick release system, spring loaded. It feels extremely well made. Here's the hose. Obviously got a covering on it to keep your liquids cool. And we've got the mag lock up here. So let's take a look at the bottle. Fluid Logic, hydration for the human race. Well, I know that doesn't count for a lot of us, but hey, let's not get into that at the moment. Okay, so there's our the mag lock. I'm assuming, oh, okay, that clips onto there, and you can clip that onto any part of the car. So you can always just head back and it will keep it up out of the dirt or wherever you want to keep it. Well, that is a long tube. Okay, so let's see how it connects. I'm assuming I push that in, and that clips down onto there. Yep, nice and easy, and oh, it's under spring tension. And I'll try not to drop that on a dirty floor again. What else have we got? Oh, okay, so we've got plenty of ties to be able to zip tie it to roll cages and so forth. If you guys are running a full roll cage. Let's take a look at the bottle itself. Okay, that feels nice. Rightio. Ooh. So as you would imagine, let's get that out of the way. The nice big open mouth. Put that down into there. Do it up. And your fluids are nice and cold. It's got a rubber bottom for a bit of grip. And we'll assume that that clips into there like that. And you just pull that side. And It's now solidly mounted to your roll cage. So all pretty simple stuff. I never want to be in a position again where I almost crashed my car because I was not smart enough to keep hydrated. Keeping water into your system can be one of the most important things you do whilst driving, especially if you're driving long distance in summer. Most of these cars, you have no protection from the sun. It is beating down on you. Yes, you're getting the wind flowing over you and you think you're keeping cool, but that sun is still affecting you. You can get sunstroke, you can get sunburnt, and that can affect you and it can affect your driving. So, for me personally, this is what I'm choosing to make my driving a better experience. Let us know in the comments below how you do it, if you do it. Tell me to harden up if you want. Okay, so that's now the drink bottle fitted to the car. I guess I should go and show you how I've done it. Okay, I'll just grab you off the stand for a second and I'll get to show you. Okay, there's the car. So if we come around here, you can see the bottle on the side of the mounted to the roll cage, and it doesn't interfere with the travelling pack. So we've got the tube coming down through to here and up onto the ram mount. Don't worry, it doesn't interfere with my shifting or anything else. So quite easy to grab. Suck, suck, suck. And there it is, clipped back into place. Really simple. So, yeah. I hope that gives you some ideas for yourself. Okay, guys, that's it for the day. It's not big steps forward. I haven't gone out and done a hell of a lot, but it's going to be, with any luck, 2 to 3 weeks in the car. So I need to make it as comfortable as possible for myself and my son, who will be travelling with me. Obviously, he's not going to be drinking out of the same drink bottle, so he can sort himself out. He's big enough and ugly enough to be able to do that. But for me, I need to be able to feel that I'm being comfortable and that we're not going to be speeding all over the place. We're just going to be cruising. We're probably going to be covering, 300-400 kilometres per day. So it's not a lot, but over the space of 14 days to 16 days, we will cover a hell of a lot. And some days we may not actually cover even that much. We may, say if we get down to Invercargill and we're going to see the museums, well, that may be a day or two there. We may spend a day or two in Blenheim looking at the aircraft museum there, or a day or two in Christchurch. We have that ability to stop and just enjoy ourselves. So, thanks very much for watching. As always, if you enjoy what you see, please hit like and subscribe. Once we do this trip starting November, I will be updating, hopefully regular on the road, with the idea that I'll be putting through a real big overall trip on the YouTube, but we'll be doing daily updates on the road. Hopefully nothing too much goes badly. yeah, you guys have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.